Welcome back.
Welcome people, it's your boy Thinking Creative Leader here just to make a bugger nice. Shut up no bro. It's your boy Thinking Creative Lee.
And he's obsession over here.
It's your boy Thinking Creative Lee.
I the girl Letty _876.
Cause we're chilling in the tropics.
Yeah, you know the vibe.
You know the vibe. You know so we're chilling, living, building like a villain, chilling.
So what will we do today?
Today we'll be doing something epic. Today we are doing song association. For all who don't know what song association is,
I would say a word and he would try to give a song that has in that specific word.
yes, like example.
Bike. Oh, long time on the bike, girl.
Exactly.
No, I'll go first.
You want to go first?
Yeah.
Heads and tails? We can flip a coin.
Yes.
We can flip a coin.
Oh, sure.
If I'm just alright.
That's so far.
It's not far from. Do 1 second. Over little more. Over. Yeah, nearest by the weed there. Ah, yeah, bring that. No, don't touch your coke. Come, yeah. Yeah, bring the cup. So, you say heads, me say tails.
Yeah. You fell on my head, I think that's a win.
Alright, wait, sir. Please don't tell no lies.
It looks like a head, you know?
Tanya.
What is the tail?
It's a tail. So, who I go first?
Who are you?
Me I go first.
Me.
Alright. Well now, when me I go first, that means that me I give you the word or you I give me the word. We don't understand who I go first.
You will give me the word.
Me I give you the
Yeah.
that you want from morning. Alright. First word is palm. Cause me not know word.
There's
Palm.
no more with, there's no sound with palm.
Why what?
Because there's no sound with palm.
Of course a song that do with palm.
Okay, well next come not a song with palm.
Palm tree?
There's no song with palm.
Alright, sorry, let me get a better word. Let me think of a song first.
Five minutes later.
So do you want to go first?
Yeah, please.
Okay. So your first word is breeze. This should be easy.
I know, I have the governor song. I don't know how it go. Breeze.
Governor sing it.
Governor, I don't know.
Okay.
Gotta say breeze.
Gonna say answer the song.
Shut up now. Come on bed with breeze. Oh man, that's like bro, that's like old Tanya. Tanya, my granny know that's like hold on, breeze.
With breeze.
So my first like breeze. Yeah. Alright. You know, say be a breeze.
Let me correct.
Oh no, that's a beat bean.
Tell us another question. What you with?
Breeze. Yes, adapt me if you say adapt.
Face full of ice, you not afraid? Freeze.
Tanya.
Face full of ice, you not afraid? Freeze.
Tanya.
Face full of ice, you not afraid?
Freeze.
Freeze.
Tanya, come on. Please. Send that me that say.
Never.
Tell me, what brother, comment below and tell me if I adapt me did I say. Adapt me say. So I get that point there. I literally get that point there, bro.
You never gonna find the next one.
Anyways, cat.
Kitty cat.
Me no know that.
A gauge man. Never kitty cat. Hey.
Tanya, me no know what that is say.
Gauge.
Me no know what.
Alright. Next then.
Next, so give me the word. You want me tell you which gauge you talk about, by the way?
Yeah.
Kitty, where you gone? Kitty gone in a dog. Kitty gone left the yard. Mad me a mad when kitty left the yard. Nobody no see the kitty. Me say, oh, what a pity. Kitty Kitty tour down the city. I'm mad when me can't find kitty.
By the way, I hear you wicked. Go on.
Water. Or water.
Water.
Yeah.
Underwater, me the underwater. Underwater, me the under. Take that, man. See that? Creative gang. Creative
Back to
gang. My turn. Alright. Hype. Literally, I give some word, but I'm not even sure say them word the day in a song.
You can't do
But
that, Levar.
Kadia, my best knows a hype day in a song. Me know that here. Fuck. Hype over, cause I'm here with the ring. One to them song there. Hype over, man.
Mana na sang eh?
Da 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 da. You know the song there?
Hype to say.
Of course. Yeah, hype over, man. But I'm here with the ring. Something like that. I'm still.
Alright, you watch what?
Empire.
I wasn't born those times, you know?
Anyways, my turn. Cause you don't know how enough know not with hype. You know the hypest kid alive. Yes, God. You must see something with hype in I'm song there.
Trees.
Trees. Smoke the trees
And let them be.
I don't smoke the trees. Leave the trees.
Me know the song. Me know the song.
And let
Me know the
them
song.
be.
Say, alright.
Why, wait a minute. Don't you see that you're blazing up the environment?
Leave the trees and let them live. Lord, Lord, can't you see you destroying the environment? Whoa.
Something like that.
Oh.
Big tune, you
My
know?
sword.
You know, some born about 1853 though.
That's why I said you're the only one that knows these things.
You know them tune, eh? Go on, man. They are when reggae act like
Are
fire.
you?
Alright, me?
Think of a song first, please. Thank you.
Ball.
Big baller. That Benzema.
I say ball, I never say baller.
Man, I live like baller.
You see that? You say baller again. I say ball.
Me a ball live in the water, and the man can't come round ya. I'm a dip on the ball, skin up, but nobody can get my corner.
We sang that. We sang that.
Really, yeah.
Which song is that?
Never want song.
You just made that
Me
up,
never made it
fam.
up.
Bro, me know you. Tell ya, the lyrics are so shaky.
Never,
The
we
lyrics
never
are so
make it
shaky.
Never make it up, never.
Me don't know that tune there. Come,
Some
who
part
sing that?
of the tune,
Who
I
sing
say
that?
go.
Who
But
sing
some part
that?
of the tune, me make
Who
it
sing
up.
that?
One artist, duh.
Yo, that point there shaky. That point there, that shaky. That shaky.
Never. There's
Go
no
on,
song
me I
with
make
ball.
it slide still. Do you think? Make it slide.
Never. There's no song with ball that I do not know of other than the one that I just sung a while ago.
Can't let me a ball out.
Never ball.
Don't stop.
Ball out is not one word. Ball and then out.
Watch me right
Sweet.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Some sweet like.
Tell us something sweet like tambourine.
Yeah, that's how we ever sing. Tell us some sweet like tambourine. First of all,
But
what?
that's not the song I was talking about. That ain't it right though. But that's a song.
The first, so when you say sweet, the first thing come to mind was sweet, sweet sugar water revive you. The Cartel song. Get to the part of my life. We sang you that thing, bro.
Tell us some sweet like a some tree. Chumalick.
Oh, Shensia. Mm. Wall.
But say you don't
Wall.
have a song, Levar. You don't have a song.
Wall. Me have a
You
song.
don't have a song for that.
Beanie Man. Me have the song Beanie Man. You can't even tell you the artist. I'm very confident that you won't get it. Cause Wall.
I do not know this. Levar, you win. Take the cake. You win. Done the video. Who win?
Palm bed, palm floor against wall. With them Martin, them call we. Oh, the girls, them sugar, that's all. Welcome the king of the dance hall. Oh, you know the king himself. The hottest tune I road right now.
Do you want the crown?
Joke can't make man. Last one. Sheesh. Broken?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Broken. You have something for that?
Yeah? Oh, you mean?
This one like some foreign song you got. Tanya, next time we do this, we keep it local.
No.
Matter of fact, a local we keep it because I be a yard band song we sing and you gonna foreign. Give me a next word. No bad man no say nothing about broken round here. Come here man, go on again. We say broke or broke up. We don't say no broken. Go on again. We don't know them talk. Them talk they too stoosh. Freezer?
Yeah. Freeze
or freezer?
Not freezer.
Make a freeze like freezer. One.
Never does a song.
You don't know that tune eh?
No.
I can't remember how the rest of the lyrics go. Make a freeze like
Alright, love.
Tanya, yeah, give me a bag of words.
No. Everybody use love.
Love?
Yeah.
Alright. Girl, I do love no other.
Watch it.
Girl, I will not go leave when she said that. She said alright.
Oh guys, we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for liking it, subscribing it, because you know you should have done it a long time ago.
A long time ago. From the first time when you make a laugh, you should have liked it. Swear to God.
Exactly.
So anyways, want to click the subscribe button, turn on post notification, click the bell, click on all, and you can comment.
And follow us on our social media platforms. They'll be right here.
Them they down in the yeah, them they down in the description, so you can run, go look and check. Click the link them and tell me what you think of this video right here, what we just did. And look out for your part 2. If you request a part 2, we do a part 2, because I don't
Simple
know.
as that.
Yeah, so you don't know, this is the Creative Family and we're signing out. See you next.
There we go.
No.
Oh, sorry.
See you next week. Tanya, come follow me. Woo.